Now, the word probably, doubt, unlikely, chances used in the above statement indicate uncertainty. Probability is a measure of uncertainty. Now, how to uh, say there are some terms which are related to this chapter, that is, some experiments called random experiment. An experiment is called a random if it has more than one possible outcome that and it is not possible to tell the outcome in advance. Say for example, tossing a coin, tossing two coins simultaneously, throwing a die, throwing a card from a pack of 52 playing cards. These are the examples of random experiment. Now what is sample space? Sample space, sample space. Now sample space is collection of all possible outcomes of an experiment is called sample space. Event, a subset of sample space associated with a random experiment, is called event. Now what is a probability? Probability of any event E, we can write NE by NS. That means what? Number of event by number of sample space. Sample space is what? Total number of outcomes. If suppose a pair of die is thrown, what were the possible outcomes? 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, dot, 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 dot. Like this, there are 36 possible outcomes. NS is equals to what we will write? 36 when a pair of die is thrown. If suppose a coin is tossed, then what is the sample space? Either tail or head. That means NS is equal to how much? NS is equal to 2. Now favorable outcome which ensure the occurrence of event. Favorable outcome. Favorable outcomes. The outcomes which ensures the occurrence of an event are called favorable outcomes to that event. Equally likely outcomes. If there is no reason for any one outcome, that is equally likely outcomes. Now what is equally likely outcomes? Equally likely outcomes, if there is no reason for any outcome to occur in preference to any other outcome, we say that the outcomes are equally likely. For example, in tossing a coin, it is equally likely that the coin lands either head up or tails up. In throwing a die, each of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is equally likely to show up. These are called equal likely outcomes. Now, sure event. What do you mean by a sure event? Sure event. An event which always happens is called sure event. Now, what is an impossible event? Impossible event. An event which never happens is called an impossible event. Now, elementary event. An event which has only one outcome from the sample space is called elementary event. Now, complementary event. Now, say if E is an event, then the event not E is complementary event of E. That is what? If suppose probability of any event is P, then complementary event P not E equal to 1 minus P. This is called complementary event. Now, I am showing you some example here. See, some example I am showing you that a bag contains 15 balls, of which X are blue and the remaining are red. If the number of red balls are increased by 5, the probability of drawing red ball doubles. What you have to find? Probability of red ball, probability of blue ball, probability of blue ball if 5 red balls are actually added. Now, total number of ball is how much? 15. Number of red ball is how much? This is 15 minus x. Why? Because the number of blue ball is how much? This is your x. Now, probability of red ball is 15 minus x by 15. And what is the probability of blue ball? X by 15. Now, when 5 more balls are added, 5 red balls are added. When 5 red balls are added, then total number of ball will be 20. Probability of red ball at that time will be 20 minus x by 20. Getting? Now, according to the question, this new condition is equal to twice the previous condition. This new condition is what? This is twice the previous condition. Now after this we will get the value of x is equal to 12. Now the probability of red ball is what? Probability of red ball is 15 minus 12 by 15. That is a 3 by 15, it is a 1 by 5. Now probability of blue ball, x by 15, that is your 12 by 15, that is 4 by 5. Probability of blue ball, when 5 more red balls is added, that is x by 20, and this is a 12 by 20. You will get an answer, that is 3 by 5. Now, see dear student here, Harpreet tossed 2 different coins simultaneously. Find the probability of getting 2 heads, 1 head, no head, at most 1 head, at least 1 head. See dear student here, what are the sample space when 2 coins are tossed? Say head head, tail head, head tail, tail tail. The NS is how much? NS is equal to 4. E is equal to event of getting 2 head. Means what? HH. NE will be 1 here. Then probability will be 1 by 4. If getting 1 head will be head tail, tail head. These are the 2 conditions. Probability of getting 1 head is 2 by 4, that is your half. Now no head, that is what we will take? Only tail conditions will take from this sample space, and it will be 1 by 4. Now at most 1 head means what? At most means what? 1 head or no head. That is, how many cases are here? 3 cases, that is 3 by 4. Now at least 1 head means what? 2 heads are also included and 1 heads are also included. That means what? Here also 3 by 4. Now see dear student here, I am going to discuss you about some questions given in the exercise, question number 33. Now what is there in question number 33? Now I am going to read that question 33. A bag contains 6 red balls, some blue balls. If the probability of drawing blue ball is twice that of red ball, now the bag contains 6 red balls and x number of blue balls. Total number of sample space is what? X plus 6. Probability of blue ball will be x by x plus 6. Getting? Probability of red ball will be this. Now according to the question, blue ball is equal to twice the red ball. Then you will get the value of red balls. Total number of red ball in the bag is how much? That is 12. And total number of balls in the bag will be 12 plus 6, that is your 18 balls. Now see, question number 32. A bag contains 15 balls, of which, say, a bag contains 15 balls of which some are white and others are red. No problem. See, total number of ball is this, x number of balls are white, then red ball will be 15 minus x. The probability of getting a white ball will get, probability of getting a red ball will get. According to the question, both say red ball is twice that of blue ball, and we will get the value of x. Got? See, question number 34. Now, a bag contains 24 balls, of which x are red, 2x are white, 3x are blue. We have written all those things. Total number of ball is this, and red ball, blue ball, and white ball, everything is given. Now all this sum equal to how much? That is a 24. We will get the value of x. The probability of white ball is what? 8 by 24, 1 by 3. Probability of red ball is what? 4 by 24, 1 by 6. Probability of not red, 1 minus 1 by 6, that is your 5 by 6. Now question 36. All the 3 face cards of a spade are removed from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. A card is drawn at random from the remaining pack. Find the probability of getting a black face card. Look here, black face card is how much? That is your 3 black face card. Right? Because 1 card from black spade has been removed. Okay? That's why it will be 3 by 49. Now look here, queen. Say a queen. How many queens are there? There are 4 queens. 1 of spade is removed. That's why it is a 3 by 49. Now here a black card. Black card is how much? That is your total number of black card is how much? That is 26. Out of 26, 3 cards are removed. Okay, 3 cards are removed, and it will be 23 by 49. A heart, that is a 13 by 49. A spade, that is 10 by 49. And 9 of black color. 9 of black color is how much? That is 2 by 49. Getting? Now see question of 41. 2 different dice are thrown at the same time, and the probability of getting a doublet. doublet. Doublet is how much? See, these are the doublets. Number of event is 6. Number of sample space is 36. 6 by 36, that is 1 by 6. Now second one, that is sum of 8. 2, 6, 6, 2, 4, 4, 3, 5, 5, 3. It is your 5, that is your 5 by 36. Now the third condition is what? Sum divisible by 5. 5, 5, 4, 6, 6, 4, 1, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. 7, this is 7 by 36. Now see here, say a sum at least 11. 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. 3, 3 by 36, 1 by 12. Got. Now question number 40. Two different dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability of getting a number greater than 3 on each die. Now number of sample space is 36. Number of event value 4, 4, 5, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 6, 6, 4, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6, 5. Getting? That is total number of event is how much? That is your 9. That is 9 by 36. That is your 1 by 4. Now say second one is an odd number on both the dice. Odd number on both the dice, you see 3, 5, 5, 3, 1, 5, 5, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 1, 3, 3, 1, like this. How many are there? There are 9. 9 by 36, this is also 1 by 4. Good. See dear student, what you all have to do, like the same, you all have to do the numericals given in the exercise. Do it properly with a beautiful handwriting, you have to write.